At the end of our show, we're going to give you a quick tip to your favorite game, so be sure to tune in all the way to the end. Cut man here, here's another track.
I don't even know why, but this game is giving me nostalgia, and I wasn't even born in the 80s.
Oh, whoa, oh shit, that is not good at all. Alright, well, here we are at level 2. What is this? Huh, okay. Okay, I can stop it and then start it. I don't know why we have that, but okay. Alright, let's go. Okay, great start. Oh gosh, there's dragons now. I forgot because the Sibling Lord brought his army of dragons to attack the school. Oh. Okay, we just need to kill this dragon right now. Never mind. You know what? We can just go past it. Ooh. Oh yeah, checkpoint, baby. All right. Ooh. There we go. Alright, I don't know what that's used for,
Man,
but
they just don't make chiptunes the way they used to, huh? Interested in unlocking the special powers of Pixel Rift? Stay tuned in, there's a special code we'll be giving out at the end of our show.
Special code, you say, huh? What is that guy looking at over there? That's inappropriate for your age. Stop looking at that stuff. Okay. Jeez. Well, we got the next checkpoint. Oh, one of these robots.
At the end of our show, we're going to give you a quick tip to your favorite game, so be sure to tune in all the way to the end. Cut man here, here's another track.
Oh, oh, there we go. Ooh, a chest. What did we get? I have no clue what we just got. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is good. Okay, you know what? This is getting distracting. Another chest. I have no clue what we got, but you know what? Cool. Cool. That's fine. That's all cool. Next checkpoint. Alright, we got this. Alright, we got this, don't worry, we're good at this game, right? What is that back there? What is that? I've never seen that before, what even is that? That was never on my playground, you know? I'm jealous, it looks fun. Yo, why is a kid just carrying a giant boombox? What? What? Gosh, these rotating platforms are the things that are really annoying. I thought it was the dragons, but no, these dragons are not as bad as the platforms. There we go. Oh, another dragon. There we go. Nice. Nice. Oh. Okay, you know what? We're just not gonna attack the dragon. We're just gonna keep going. Nice checkpoint. Oh. Okay. So we have to catch it. Oh, dang. jeez, you did that really fast. Yep. There we go. Yes!
You see that boy in the corner? He keeps
Whoa.
Mrs. Marrow goes whole test. He looks like a fish.
Nice. Oh, jeez. Keep going. Oh. 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 Oh no! Oh no! I can't. Dang it! That is so hard.
Do you see that boy in the corner?
Oh, we're back here. All right.
Mrs. Marrow goes whole test. He looks like a fish. No.
Oh. There we go. Keep going.
I know, right?
Alright, we need to go. We need to go.
Well,
Alright. Ooh, there we go.
you see that boy in the corner? Keep
Alright. Jeez, okay, I did not. Alright. What is this?
Marrow goes whole test.
Ooh. Ooh, okay.
He looks like a fish.
Okay. This one is a bit challenging. Okay. Alright, I think we can do this. This one's a bit challenging, but you know what? We just died. Alright, we have to wait a bit.
Do you see that boy in the corner? Mrs. Marrow goes whole test.
Ooh, we were really close. Okay, we got this. We got this.
He looks like a fish. No. I know. Well, wait. He doesn't. You see that boy in the corner? He can see.
Ooh, what is that? A cartridge? Nice. I don't know what that's for, but cool. Alright. Hopefully it can help us somehow during the game. Oh, okay, okay. At least we got the checkpoint. We got the checkpoint. Dang, that is really hard because it's like camping there, and it's at like this height where you can just like. Oh, ooh. All right. Woo, we got it.
Mrs. Marrow goes whole test.
Oh, hello, people. You guys look normal, but I'm just pixelated. Or at least I have less pixels than you. That's why it's called Pixel Ripped, huh? Oh, hello there. Don't mind me. I'm just saving the day. Help! Oh, don't worry, I will. I'll help. Our school's under attack. All right. Thanks. Thanks, but there's more. There are a bunch of them. Whoa! Whoa! Come out, my dragons. Those are birds. Dinner is served. Ha ha ha. Alright. Oh, jeez. Chill out, people. It's just a bunch of birds. Nothing to be scared of. Oh, that kid is hanging from the tree. Oh. Huh? Protect the kids. Oh. Nice. Oh, jeez. Yep. Oh, okay. Oh no! Oh no, they're getting taken away! Don't worry, kids, I'm helping you. No! Oh no! Don't worry, guys, I got you. Are we okay? Oh, round 2. Oh, oh shoot. Oh, that's a fat dragon. Dang. Nope. No, you don't. Oh no. Don't worry, I'll help you. Oop. Alright, another one up there. Oop. Yes! Success! Yes! Oh no! Don't worry, I got you. Round clear. Yes!
Round 3.
Oh! Machine gun? Machine gun? Oh, that's really good. Too bad! Ah! Jeez! You messed with the chicken. Is that bad?
Round 3.
Oh, I have to restart round 3. Okay. Okay, can't shoot the chickens. I don't remember that. Oh! Don't worry, I got you. Oh no! Oh! Oh gosh! Dang it! Ah! Jeez, get out of here! You messed with the chicken. Alright, my bad, my bad. Alright. Nice. Not falling for that, chicken. Nope. Machine gun. Ooh. Oh. My arm's already really tired. Oh no. Don't worry, I got you guys. Yeah, oh. Yes. Oh. Round clear. Guess what? What? I don't need these stupid kids anymore. Wait, why did you even need them in the first place? I have a much better plan. What is that? You gonna fight me head on? Ha ha ha.
What the hell? Stand back, you know! Get
Oh
back
shoot.
in the car. Save yourself!
Oh jeez. Whoa. Level clear. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Whoa. Whoa. Jeez, where are we? Oh, hello. Is this your lovely place that you live in? Oh. There's 2 of you. What are you guys doing? Are Are you just robbing the place? Oh. Sorry, I think I fell asleep. Oh, they just robbed you. Alright, well, I'm sorry, man. Dot, well done defending the kids. Thank you. You've truly become the hero you were always meant to be. However, what? What's wrong? Sylvan Lord is also getting more powerful every second. Dang, alright. He is using the stone to create glitches between dimensions. Alright. He is now invading other game worlds. Oh no! Is he gonna invade Tetris? Don't say he will. Even your favorite game, Zombs and Zombies. Oh no. But that's not my favorite game. I mean, yeah, I'm concerned, but aren't you a big fan of Arturo, the game's main character? Sylvan Lord's attacks have changed these games completely, turning him into the main protagonist in all of them. Oh, that's not good. We can still save Arturo. I think that's how you say it. Arturo cannot take it much longer. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's bright. That always gets me, dude. Help! I can't really help you right now. There we go. Don't get too close. Alright, Dot, thanks for saving me from the Sylvan Lord. Why are there hearts? Oh, no! No! We make a perfect pair, don't we? No! I'm always playing your game at home. Where's this going? Oh, I can't believe I finally met you. Oh, please don't get close. Please stop. No. No. Get away. No! No! No!